ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी जेव्हा आपण स्टार्ट केली होती तेव्हा आपल्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीचे 3 बेसिक कंपोनंट्स होते. एक होता बुक रिव्ह्यू, सेकंड होता आर्टिकल डिस्कशन, थर्ड होता रिसर्च पेपर डिस्कशन. या 3 कंपोनंटला सोबत धरून आपण आणखी काही ॲक्टिव्हिटीज यामध्ये इन्क्लूड केल्या होत्या. जसं की वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे होता, त्यानंतर होता वर्ल्ड बुक डे, ज्याच्यामुळे एक अवेअरनेस क्रिएट होईल आणि चांगल्या बुक्सचं एक कलेक्शन. सोबतच एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आपण या ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये केले. बाकीच्या कॉलेजच्या स्टुडंटला आपण इन्व्हाइट केला, त्यांच्यासोबत त्यांच्या बुक क्लबसोबत आपण कोलॅब केला, ऑनलाईन सेशन्स घेतले. जे मूवीज आपल्या लाईफमध्ये काही व्हॅल्यू ॲडिशन करतील अशा मूवीजचा आपण ओव्हरव्ह्यूसुद्धा घेतला आणि बाकी रिसोर्स पर्सनसुद्धा जे इम्पॉर्टंट बुक्स आहेत त्यांचा रिव्ह्यू करण्याचा प्रयत्न. आपल्या या ॲक्टिव्हिटीला निर्माण टीमद्वारा एक्नॉलेजमेंट मिळाली आणि बऱ्याच लोकांनी भरपूर सपोर्ट केला. अँड स्पेशल थँक्स टू संजय स्वामी सर.
This is Gauri, one of the founding members of the Fortnite Forum. I am extremely glad and thrilled that we have completed 1 year since our establishment. Till now, the journey has been amazing, and I want to thank all my seniors and juniors for their constant support. So basically, why was there a need for such a forum in the first place? In Nair, we have seen that there are events organized throughout the year where we all meet. But we felt that our campus lacked a place where like-minded people can meet and exchange their views. From there, the idea of TFF started taking shape. At TFF, we not only wanted to enhance the habit of extracurricular reading, but we also wanted our fellow members to introduce themselves to books which can broaden their outlook and help add meaning and purpose in their life. We basically wanted to change the monotonous college atmosphere to an intellectual and productive one. At TFF sessions, we not only take book reviews, but we also have research paper presentations where we discuss research articles from renowned journals to upgrade our knowledge of medicine and inculcate the habit of reading research. We also have article discussions which have often turned out to be vigorous and thought-provoking. Our basic aim was to initiate free-flowing, out-of-book conversations between our colleagues, keeping aside all the inhibitions and hierarchy. With each coming session, we have become more like a family, and people have started opening up freely about their views and opinions, and that's what I think is our biggest achievement. Organizing and attending TFF sessions personally has been an important part of my growth as an individual and a really fantastic learning experience, and I have come across some really amazing people during this journey. And 1 year of Fortnite Forum is just a stepping stone for us, and there are many more yet to come, and I am looking forward to it.
द फोर्टनाईट फोरम ह्या बुक क्लबचे जेवढे सेशन्स मी करत गेले त्या प्रत्येक सेशनमध्ये मलाच मी ओळखायला शिकले, माझ्या जाणीवा रुंदावल्या, माणूस म्हणून मी बरी झाले आणि एक वाचक म्हणून अधिक चांगली झाले आणि एक श्रोता म्हणून तर मी अधिकच चांगली झाले. सेशनच्या वेळी जेव्हा इतरांच्या पुस्तकांचे अभिप्राय ऐकायचे, त्यावर सगळ्यांचे विचार ऐकायचे, सेशन संपल्यावर नवीन नवीन मित्र बनायचे, त्यावेळी जो आनंद व्हायचा ना तो मी शब्दात व्यक्त नाही करू शकत. काहीतरी मिळाल्याचा आनंद, काहीतरी नवीन समजल्याचा आनंद. सेशन संपल्यावर कधी कधी सगळे मेंबर्स आणि सगळेजण मिळून आम्ही कधीतरी कॅन्टीनवर चहावर गप्पा रंगवायचो. त्यावेळी सगळ्यांसोबत बसून एक वेगळाच मात चालल्यासारखं वाटायचं. ऍक्च्युली आहेतच सगळे तसे, ज्ञानी आणि फनी याचा परफेक्ट कॉम्बो. सेपरेटेड बाय बॅचेस अँड युनाइटेड बाय TFF. थँक्स अ लॉट TFF.
TFF sessions so far have been amazing for me. Both organizing and attending these sessions is so much fun. It's something I really look forward to in college. It has been especially good for me because I started reading again because of TFF, a habit that I'd almost lost after joining college. Also, what I'd read earlier belonged more or less to one genre, but the sessions introduced me to a wider variety of books and broadened my perspective. Also, it provides scope for discussion on topics that I've rarely discussed with other people or other groups of friends. And the discussions that we have don't just remain limited to the sessions, They go beyond, which I find wonderful. It introduced me to people and I made friends who share the same love for books that I do. And anybody who reads would agree that the bond formed over a common favorite book, or for that matter, reading in itself, is a really, really special one. So I thank TFF for that. And yes, I'm very, very excited for our future sessions.
The part of article discussion, paper discussion, that's my favorite part personally. I love it when we all just sit at the end of session and talk about what we heard and what we think of it, and it's just so great to know about other people's perspectives.
So some place that has broadened my own perspective through discussing ideas, occasional arguments, and thus revisiting my own outlook. Also, it's a great place to meet book nerds.
A reader lives 1,000 lives, they say. Each book we read creates its own alternate universe, a new world in our minds itself. And a single book, when it is read by 10 different people, it creates 10 different versions of the same alternate universe in minds of those 10 people. And when such a group of book lovers comes together and opens the gates to these alternate worlds in their minds about the same book, the experience is unparalleled. Going through the alternate world each one of us has created in their minds, their version of the book. To discuss an idea, to look at it through different perspectives, and the startling realizations that this can be a way to look at it too, has helped enormously in broadening our outlook. The Fortnite Forum has been an enriching experience altogether up till now. तुकोबाराय म्हणतात, आम्हा घरी धन शब्दांची रत्ने, शब्दांची शस्त्र यत्ने करू, शब्दाची आमुच्या जीवाचे जीवन, शब्दधन वाटू जन लोका. तुका म्हणे पहा शब्दाची हा देव, शब्देची गौरव पूजा करू. आणि जर ही साहित्यिक संपदा अशा रत्नांमध्ये मोजायची ठरवली तर फोर्टनाईट फोरमनी आम्हाला खूप श्रीमंत केलंय. त्याबद्दल फोर्टनाईट फोरमचे मी मनपूर्वक आभार मानतो.
The sense of belonging that you don't really find anywhere else. You meet new people and moreover you connect with them. Not only expanding the reading horizons or enriching the reading experiences, but even making sure like they try to innovate so that each and every session be better than the last session.
Hey guys, this is Jerry from GSMC and I have attended 4 TFF sessions, and what to tell you about them, they are simply amazing. The books chosen for these sessions, they were so new, unconventional books which really needed to be explored, and the style of presenting them was just like a trailer to the book. That's what I really liked about the presentations. And actually I read Man's Search for Meaning after listening to Gauri Jadhav, and I also read Sapiens after listening to Sakshi Nagori during their presentation. So I'm really thankful to them, because if I hadn't been to these TFF sessions, I might have missed out on these really wonderful books, and I've learned a lot from these books. Plus, each time, every TFF session is so new. There's some or the other creative or innovative discussion or ideas which are constantly being implemented. I also clearly remember article discussion on alcohol and its safe limit and how much should be consumed, is it safe or not, plus a documentary discussion on inequality for all. So I'm really happy that such topics, such issues like alcohol and inequality were taken up and discussed, and also it was a very free discussion and everyone participated in it. It's really good to see this happening, and that's the reason actually I think why TFF is so different from other regular college events. But over here there is this informal gathering and everyone is like a friend, a peer who is debating and discussing with you on really important issues, and also a flow of ideas from one person to another, which is really beautiful. And I'm really thankful for the organizers of TFF for their constant dedication and hard work, and congrats on completing 1 year, and I hope that the 1 year may increase and become more than that, or 2, 5, 10 years even. Really good job, amazing guys.
I'm Abhinav, and the reason that I like the Fortnite Forum is it's a confluence of ideas. Though the piece of writing might appear to be just words scribbled on a piece of paper, but its interpretation is different for every single person. The emotion, the image, the scene, the setting is different in every single person's mind. And all of us come together to share it with each other, like a sense of friendship and community.
TFF has given us chances for just open expression and to present books that we feel are worthy of discussion. And in numerous sessions, it's been more than educational to not just have multiple perspectives on things like actual reality and socialism and love and medical life and so on and so forth, but also a certain level of depth that can be taken away from books and research papers and articles. And above all, it creates a sense of equality and community among people who like the similar things, even if it's as simple as books.